Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use QuickBooks Payroll for employee payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log in to your account. Navigate to the Payroll menu from the left sidebar. Select the Employees option to view your employee list. Choose the employee you wish to process payroll for. Click on the Pay option to start the payment process. Verify the pay period dates are correct. Ensure the payment method is set, such as direct deposit or check. Input the hours worked for hourly employees or confirm the salary for salaried employees. Review any additional earnings, bonuses, or deductions if applicable. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. Click on the Preview Payroll button to review the payroll summary. Assess the total amount due for each employee. If everything looks correct, click on the Submit Payroll button. Confirm your payment options and authorize the processing. Once processed, you will receive a confirmation message. Review the payroll reports for your records. Repeat this process for any additional employees as needed. Ensure to take note of payroll deadlines for future reference. Keep your records organized for tax purposes. Log out of QuickBooks when done to ensure account security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.